Hello and welcome to this video guide. I will show you step by step how to add a payment method in Afternic platform. So basically this is easy steps. All you have to do, go to your profile icons, go to my accounts. When you go to my account, select this option setting and then go to payment. When you go to payment, you will see this page. From this payment, click on manage, this option manage. You will redirect it to this pay option. From the pay option, right, set up your address. This is the first step, and then click swipe on this option. After that, click next. From this next, choose your payment option. In this case, all you have to do, I use PayPal. You have PayPal or something like this. Click modify your payments, choose PayPal, and then write your PayPal currency email address for your PayPal accounts, and then click agree and then click swipe. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.